When you're inside the programming software, both the educational and home versions of the software look identical. So there's only one video for this segment. We're going to discuss two topics now. First, we'll talk about how to add additional programs to a project. Second, we'll review how to save your projects. While you're working on a program in a project, it's easy to add a second or third or fourth program to your project. One way to do that is to go to the File menu and say Add Program. The other way is just click on this little plus symbol that's next to your program name. And if you're in the Home edition, it'll just start your new program. If you are in the Educational edition, you actually have to specify New Program, and up pops the new program. And of course, the first thing you want to do when you get in there is rename it, because Program 2 doesn't really tell you anything. So maybe this one is a, I don't know, driving program, right? And I've named it. Remember, your project represents the big idea. In the previous lesson, we talked about a robot car project, which had several programs in it, including drive around, parallel park, and play music. Another example might be a robot pizza chef project. A robot pizza chef has several different tasks it needs to do at different times. Each of those tasks corresponds to a different program. For example, the robot pizza chef project may have 20 different recipe programs. Make a vegetarian pizza might be one program. Make a pizza with the works could be another program. The project could have yet another program called Bake the Pizza. Later on, you might write yet another program like Make a Supreme Pizza. But all of these programs are part of the Robot Pizza Chef project. Every program that you write is part of a project. So when you save, you need to save both the project and the program. It'll help you to keep track of what you're doing if you give your projects and programs sensible names. For example, the name Pizza Chef will probably be more useful to you than Project 1. Similarly, the name Bake Pizza would be a better name than Pizza Program 5, assuming, of course, that you're naming a program that bakes a pizza and not one that parallel parks. If you're working on a project that you've already named, you can just say File, Save Project. You can see that little star went away. If you start a new project, here's my new project, and maybe we'll make this our Pizza Chef project. You want to say File and then Save Project As, and we'll give it a name not untitled, but let's call it Pizza Chef. And of course, we should probably put my initials at the beginning, so JSK-Pizza Chef, and we'll save. And then we'd rename the first program Veggie Pizza. There you go. Oh, and look, not saved anymore because we changed the name to Veggie Pizza. So let's just do again, File, and now we can just say Save Project.